And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to talk about the paragraph tag. This tag's easy to understand. It doesn't have any specific attributes or anything. We need an opening and a closing tag, which is simply AP. Or we can put text in between. Let me reload my browser on the left. And you can see this is a paragraph. This is the default styling of my browser. Let me copy this code line and I'll paste it below. Let me just paste it a couple of times so that we have multiple paragraphs. I'll save it again, reload it in the browser. And this is what we've got. You can also use this code line and paste it right next to it in the same line. Let me call this one paragraph 5 and this is paragraph 6 then. I'll save it again, reload it, and you can see paragraph 5 and 6 are on different lines in the browser. So these code lines, they don't really indicate the lines in the browser or in the display. By default, a paragraph gives you a new line every time, no matter how you write it in a code editor. And this is basically it. This is how you can use this p tag, which is the paragraph tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.